Okay, guys, welcome back after the breakout room. So, what do you think? What should be the strategy?
Sir, can I start on behalf of our group?
Yeah, you talk about that. Everyone should talk about that.
Yeah. So, correct me if I'm wrong, guys. So we believe that we should go for the rate of 1.12 because this is the safest rate, the safest way to get the most out of three rates that were given to us.
Mm-hmm.
And why? Because the expected spot rate on September 1st is it looks better for us, but we're not sure whether it will happen for sure or not, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the 3-month forward rate is 1.1, which is the lowest, so we get the least out of 200,000 euros. And then we have the spot rate of 1.12, which is current, right?
Mm-hmm.
And like to reduce the risk and to get the most, we believe that it's better to go for this rate.
I think, David, you don't understand the question. You need to find out the strategy either to enter into sell forward or buy forward contract.
Sir, I have a question regarding that.
Yes.
So if the question says the 3-month forward rate is 1.1, doesn't that mean there already is a contract between the US and German company? What strategy
These
is there
are
for us
the
to
information they find out through their financial analyst, through finance manager, or they call to their agents or call to the banks, and they find out that, okay, if we enter into your contract, you will giving us this rate.
Also, there's no contract yet.
Right now there is no contract. This is just the information. Right?
Okay.
Alima,
Yes.
what do you think? What is the strategy? Did you get the idea what's going on?
Yes, I got the idea about what was going on, but like I didn't quite understand the last part that you were explaining us because my connection got a little bad.
Okay, okay.
Oh.
Sipide?
Sir, can I ask you something?
Yeah, sure.
So I was just confused. If I would say, by the way, I would say like I would sell the contract by the currency of the forward rate, that is a 1.1. But anyways, if we sell a forward contract, we receive the money now, or we will receive it in 90 days?
You have the contract.
Yeah, I will sell the contract. When I sell it,
then it means
the money
it's the 90 days.
In 90 days, okay.
Sir,
so I have the obligation to sell it in 90 days. That's what it is. Okay.
Sir,
okay.
The hedging strategy, can we say then sell forward? Like to sell dollars with the rate of 1.10 in 90 days. Oh, not 1.10, 1.12, 1.12.
Sell dollars. So this is the rate of dollar or rate of euro?
No, but Germany will receive payment equivalent to 200,000 euros,
Come
right?
on, guys.
Not in euros.
Think about this firm. We don't have any other firm information with this perspective. And this is
since we're in USA, we receive money in dollars, right?
Okay. I think I should explain one more time because you are going way too far. Let me just explain one more time. So let me open this question and I will go to a white screen. Here we go. So these are the normal questions that, normally these are written in finance like that. So here we go. We have company called Greylon. It's in US. And US exports goods to Germany, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Right.
Okay. So you are manager of this company. Right now you are here. And you are receiving the money in 3 months. Right? Okay. So in these kind of questions, you need to find the data right there. So question is silent that whether the Germans will send you dollars or will send you the euro, right? If question is silent, always assume that the Germans will send you, the other party will send you their home currency. Okay? Otherwise, they will mention that. Okay, it's now the headache of Germans to send us dollars. And how much they have contracted? The question is already mentioned that the contract is with 20 or 200,000 euros, right? Not dollars. It means Greylon has contract with the German company, and the Germans say that we are not going to pay you in dollars, we will be paying you in euros, right? Now you have to develop strategy. You are only given forward information. Forward rate is 1.10. Okay, for example, this is 90 days. Right now the spot rate is, if Germans send you right now this 200,000 euros at this point, rate is 1 point, let me see that. The rate is 1.12, right? Spot rate in June, the spot rate is 1.12, yes. The forward rate is 1.10. Okay. So can you convert this into dollars? Answer is no. Why? Because German will send you the money in 3 months. You cannot use the spot rate. If Germans are sending you right now, then there is no need for forward, and all those informations are extra. But German said that you will be receiving money after 3 months. Right now, the situation is that if they send right now, you will receive this much money, but you don't know. So spot rate is just for your information, or you can also use that for like profit making or saving purposes. 1.12. What is the question here? 1.12 multiplied by, here we go. If they send you right now money, you will receive this much dollars right now, right? And expected spot rate, what does it mean? It means at this day, when you are here, the spot rate is 1.15, right? If you do not enter into this contract, After 3 months, Germans will be sending you this much money, 200,000 euros, 1.15. Answer is right. Now question says, so now you are here and there's still 90 days. What is your biggest worry? Your biggest worry is that you would be receiving euro in 90 days and anything can happen. What if your rate go down, right? For example, if rate go down, right now it's 1.12, what is it's 1.09. 1.09 multiplied by 200,000. Answer would be right. So when you are receiving the money, the biggest risk is that the value go down, right? You don't know about this. You don't know about the future. What would be the expected spot rate? That is the spot rate that will happen in reality after 90 days. You don't know this one. For this one to have to make sure that you need to wait for 90 days. What if, wait a minute, don't